Hello and welcome to Aleeplanning. My name is Ashley and today I'm going to be giving a tour of my new spreadsheet, the Paycheck Budget Template. This template will be available in my Etsy shop. If you purchase, you'll receive an instruction download, and then inside of that download there will be a link for you to download your copy of the spreadsheet. Please ensure that you click Make a Copy button so that you'll have a clean template for your own personal use. So let's get started. So first we're going to come to the instruction tab, and it will go in detail on how to enter in your data and also give you screenshots and show you what's automated and what isn't automated, and it will also explain what each tab is. The next tab is the dashboard. The dashboard is automated, so there's nothing for you to actually enter here, but at the top of the dashboard you will see there is a bills graph, an income graph, a savings graph, debts graphs, and sinking funds graphs. So the information that will be automatically entered here is actually from your weekly budget, from the weekly tab button. Alright, so next is the bills list. This tab you will enter all your bills like your mortgage, electric, groceries, your kids' soccer lessons. Then you'll enter in your due date and the amount of the bill. This section will help you stay on track and top of your bills. The bill that you entered here will later appear on the monthly and weekly tabs for each month. So next is the savings and debts list. And this will be similar to the bills list. You will enter your savings under the savings list, and then you'll add your debts under the debts list, under the debt tracker. And as you make progress, you'll just check it off that you already paid or added in your money for your savings for that particular month. So the next tab will be the January monthly. So in this view, we will add in all of the income, bills, savings, and debts on one spreadsheet just to get a general idea of what we have to spend for the month. As mentioned before, we would have entered this information already for everything previously, so everything will be pulled down by clicking the drop-down box. So to show you what that looks like, I'm going to do a quick mock monthly budget so you can see how you can use it. Okay, here's the mock version of the January monthly budget. So here's the income. And if you want to, you can also just break it down weekly if you want to, but here I just made it all if Ashley had a full-time job and she already knew that she was getting $2,800, that's what we would add for the income. And then when you actually get paid, you will just put the actual amount that you had for the month of January here. And it will populate here. Okay, and then here we have the savings And the sinking funds section is here. All your bills will be listed here, and all your debts will be listed here. And for the graph to show, you'll have to have at least 2 items or line items in each category for it to populate. So that's why the savings is not populating, because I only have emergency under savings right now. And the monthly view and the weekly view will all have a calendar. So you'll be able to click here and change the month. So if for whatever reason, if you wanted to change this to February, you can, and it will automatically update it for you. And it will do the same if you wanted to do a clean copy for next year. All you have to do is just come here and change it to 2024. And it will update for you automatically. Okay, and in here you'll have your income, what you're expecting. And here you will see what is left to spend. And this will help you budget out for the month as you go. Okay, and that's it for the monthly view. Now we'll go to the weekly view. The weekly view is pretty much similar to the monthly view. You'll just be breaking down your what you put in your monthly budget and allocating it to the whichever paycheck you want it to enter it to. So I'll be showing you an example of that as well. Alright, so this is just to give you a general idea. You'll enter your income here. You'll enter your savings from the savings list here. You can add in your sinking funds, all that it will be on the same savings list. Here, and your debts will be added here. And then you'll add your bills, and the summary for each section will be pulled up here. So the savings will be up top, sinking funds will be up top, debts, and the bills and your income is right here. And you see here, it will show you what you have left to spend. So if I only had gross $50 here, it will show me that I have $20 left that I can allocate to maybe emergency, or if you want to go ahead and add it to your Christmas fund. And then on the actual section, when you actually get paid, because this is just the estimate, what you believe you're going to be bringing in, you'll add that here, and that will be what will populate on the dashboard, the actual for all of that particular month. So if you come here, you'll see there's also a summary here, and this will be for the entire month. So this will be for the entire month of January. So if I would have filled out each paycheck, it will all populate here. And so that's pretty much it for the tour of the Paycheck Budget Template. There is a lot of tabs on this spreadsheet. I did a monthly and weekly view for each month. So to make it easier, it's easier for me when I use it. I click here and it will show you all the sheets, and I made them colored. so you'll know which month you're on, and it's easier to maneuver. So if you needed to look back, if you was looking at August but you need to go back to February, it'll be easier to do it that way instead of trying to scroll like this. So thank you for taking out the time to watch this video. Please check back weekly for more budget products in my Etsy shop, and I hope you have a blessed day.